Hi guys, welcome back to Brittany, Olivia, and in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing on an Aliexpress vendor. Here is the hair. It came in a regular USPS packaging, just the little bag it comes in. I thought it was going to come FedEx, but it came USPS, which scared me because around here USPS packages be missing. Okay, you can be looking out the window all day and they say they delivered it when they didn't. But this hair Aliexpress vendor, and it's called HJ Wig Beauty, you guys. HJ Wig Beauty says to be better, and it has their website right here. So you guys, on the inside of the bag it has the hair care instructions, just the basic stuff. And then it's just a little card on the inside. So you guys, here's the hair. The hair I got was a deep wave 5x5 with a 5x5 closure, and it's 28 inches, you guys. So this is the hair, you guys. So it's supposed to be a deep wave with a 5x5 closure, 28 inches. So this is it. Take it out of this net really quick, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're still watching. So, it's the ends. I have to look and see what density is supposed to be, because to me it feels kind of thin. And here are the ends. So the ends. It says it was HD lace, but I already know it's not. I already knew it wasn't going to be that, so. It's soft. It has a kind of a slight odor to it, so I'm going to have to wash it. But I plan on lightening it just a little bit, because it's too much of a, I know it's like a really dark brown. I can see the brown in it, but it looks black to me. So I'm gonna have to lighten it a little bit, you guys. I'm gonna have to lighten it. It doesn't look 28 inches, but I'm pretty sure once I actually pull it out, like stretch it, it is 28 inches, but hanging in its curly state, it doesn't look 28 inches. So if I stretched it out, yeah, I'm pretty sure it will be 28 inches. So yeah, missing. Okay, let's see. On the inside we have 2 combs right here. It's basically the normal construction, 2 combs, and then we have a comb at the bottom, and then these right here. And here is the 5x5 waist closure, you guys. And they actually have 13x4 and 13x6, you guys, if you prefer that in a frontal. I don't know, it's kind of stringy in some places, like right here. I don't know. Let me see when I wash it. It looks kind of stringy. Like, most of it, other than that, feels soft. Has some flyaways up here already. And I got this off Aliexpress, you guys. Flyaways already, but that can be fixed. And once again, it's a deep wave, 28 inches, you guys. 5x5 closure from Aliexpress. So I'm gonna try it on. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair on. I haven't done anything to it, of course. Here is the lace. I'm gonna end up wearing it in the side part, like always. Here is the lace. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna plug it because I don't really know how to bleach. So here is that. I'm like 5'6", 5'7", so I'm like 5'6" and a half, you guys. So 28 inches, or supposed to be 28 inches. And here's where it comes to me. that's stretched out. So yeah, the hair is still pretty long, but I thought it would be longer actually. Let me see. So far I do wish it was thicker, but I'm gonna see when I wash it if the hair is gonna, you know, lengthen itself. I kind of feel like the ends are pretty raggedy. You see what I mean? We're gonna see once I wash it and put some product in it. We're gonna see how it does. See, like this is the ends. For me to have just taken it out the package, I feel like the ends are raggedy. I'm just gonna say that. But once again, we're gonna see once I actually finish it. I said I'm gonna lighten it a little bit, so I'm gonna lighten it, I'm gonna wash it and all that. Because right now, it's just too dark. I don't like really dark hair on me. I wish it was thicker, I really do. But you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Much didn't come with the wig, just the bag, a card, and the hair. That's all that came with the wig, you guys. So yeah, no stocking cap or anything, but I got some anyway, so no biggie. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And the next video will be when I'm completed with the wig, you guys. I might put in when I lighten it. I'm not sure yet, but I might do that. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I do have some shedding. So kind of afraid. I feel like it's like a whole bunch of split ends, but we're gonna see. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video, which is going to be the finished product on this hair, you guys. Okay, next video will be the finished product of this hair, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.